Hello, my name is Nelson Isea and I'm the Product Manager for Process Analyser Solutions at Yokogawa, Australia and New Zealand. Yokogawa has gained an enviable reputation for highly reliable process analyzer solutions across the oil and gas, minerals, power generation and chemical industries. We integrate our gas chromatographs, absorption spectrometers and liquid analyzers, as well as third-party components in our systems. We find these systems often require supporting services as well. To complement our products, we offer a comprehensive array of services starting from front-end engineering and design, project management and execution, right through to life cycle services. Our preferred tool to use is GC8000's virtual technician software. Based on Yokogawa's experience with process gas chromatographs, the GC8000 has an innovative and advanced diagnostic package called the Virtual Technician. This is to help keep the unit operating at peak performance. Several key performance indicators are monitored in the machine during every analysis to verify the analyzer operates within proper tolerances. The data monitored includes chromatograph shape, peak data, valve data, detector data, shift, gate timings, auto tracking. When any of the thresholds set up in these monitored parameters are crossed, a pre-alert message is sent to the GC maintenance workstation. Furthermore, an email can be sent that contains measurement data as well as the chromatograms in a zipped file to a user-defined email address such as the plant's key GC support technician. The technician can then call up and review the long-term performance of the GC through historical KPI data files in trend displays stored on the GC workstation. This amount of data allows to identify, predict and plan ahead all interventions, making site processes more efficient and avoiding unnecessary reworks or delays. For more information, please visit us at yokogawa.com/au.